Paracrysol reacts with chloroform in alkaline medium to give a compound A. Let us see what they're talking about. Paracrysol. What is paracrysol? Right, now this is paracrysol basically, where there is an OH group, alcohol group across the para position of CH3, right? Now what we are doing is we are adding chloroform, right, which is CHCl3 in presence of alkaline medium NaOH. So you might have seen this, this reagent. This is basically called Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction, right? Now this is basically a good question. In fact, apart from all the questions that we have already done, this is one of the good questions in an organic. So in Reimer-Tiemann reaction, what happens? Across the ortho position to OH group, an aldehyde or CHO group is added, right? This is what happens in Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So this is the product, right? Now this is the compound, basically this is the compound A, right? Now which adds, this A adds hydrogen cyanide, HCN. Where will HCN be added? It cannot be added across the OH group. It cannot be added across the CH3 group. Neither this Cn minus can be added across the benzene ring, because this is electron rich ring. So what happens is Cn minus, this goes and attacks over here because there is a delta positive charge due to the electronegative oxygen atom, and this H goes over here, right? So what do we get? We get this kind of a compound where carbon and there is Cn and OH and H, right? So this is the compound that we get. Now this is called the compound B, right? The latter on acid hydrolysis gives a chiral carboxylic acid. We know that when we do hydrolysis, H2O plus is added. What happens is that Cn gets converted to COOH. So that means the kind of compound that we get is OH, CH3, COH, H and COOH, right? Now this carbon is what? Chiral, because it has all the four groups different. That means this is the correct option, like this is the correct answer. So that means the correct answer is C, right? So this was a relatively good question as compared to the other questions we have seen. This was a relatively better question, right?